So yours is goes in a circle.
It's actually on a what do they call it?
A gimbal.
It's a gimbal, but it's all it is
It's weathered.
Yeah, naturally weathered.
If you were gonna repaint it in flanges from the rail. Never seen a rail this tight.
Bring her through.
Yeah, taking it slow.
It's a trailer ramp.
Somebody gave that to me a long time ago, and I never used it at the Fillmore house, and so I decided I'm going to make it work.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll say. I'll push up there. Wow.
Now, you probably realize you got to get battery chargers for this thing, and you can't find a 24 volt. They're old news now. It runs on 24.
Yeah, the track's not in the ground up there.
Here's the switch for the Mars light, by the way.
Okay. And there's two switches in here. Well, I'll see them when we get there.
Doesn't have anything.
Wow. This is the tie-in for the B in it.
Got it. I got it. Yeah, you're good. You're on.
Okay.
You're more than on.
And the only thing I couldn't find is extra nuts.
All loaded up. The 2 riding cars that came with it. Supposedly there's about 1,800 feet of track altogether. Roadbed. Took them about 6 months to build this, and we got it done in about an hour. Well, shouldn't say done. We've still got another couple hundred feet here. Here's the diamond. Engine house. There's the neighbor's dog.
And you get these, well, not that you guys are going to be building switches, but this is the stuff that Jack used to, they tie down all of the smaller rail.
These two punks.
Hello.
Heat's getting to them. Water is nice today. Heat's getting to me as well. I feel like this is rather out of place. New Jersey Transit. There's got to be a story behind that. A couple of ties left over with Deets Hilo. Les's drill. Messing up the railroad grade. It's all gone now to be set up at LALS, hopefully. There's some more. Probably about 100 degrees out. Come prepared. Bridge is gone.
Here's a bunch more.
Last one. There we go.
We're done.
The golden screw.